Welcome back. Today, I'll walk you through how to export your work from Figma in the simplest way. Whether you need an icon, screen images, SEVs for the web, a PDF for a client, or a full local copy of the file, this will show you the steps to get it done fast. Open the Figma file you want to export and make sure the design is finished. First, decide what you actually need to export: a single asset, a whole frame, or the entire Fig file. That choice will tell you which method to use. If you need the whole project as a file you can store or share, go to the main menu at the top left, choose File, and pick Save Local Copy. That saves a Fig file to your computer you can open later in Figma. To export a specific layer, frame, or artboard, click to select it. Look to the right side in the Properties panel and find the Export section. Click the plus sign to add an export setting, then pick the file type you want. Use PNG or JPG for images, SVG for icons and vector shapes, and PDF when you need pages that look great for print or handoff. If you need different sizes, add more export settings for the same item. For example, add ONX and 2x scales and use suffixes like at 2DAs so the files are named clearly. When your settings are ready, click the Export button in that panel. Choose a folder, and Figma will save the files to your computer. There's also an export option in the File menu. Select an item and use it for a faster export. It's handy when you just want one asset without opening the full Properties panel. You can also export frames in PDF from here. To export many assets at once, select several layers or frames or put them inside a single frame. Figma will export each selected item separately and keep the names and suffixes you set. A few quick tips. Check for hidden layers or masks before you export, because they can change how the final image looks. Or SEVGs, decide if text should stay as text or be converted to outlines, depending on where it will be used. If you are handing files to developers, give them SEVGs for icons and PNG at the required scales for images. For screen layouts, a PDF or a Fig copy works well. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Also, comment, what problem do you want me to solve in the next video? Take care and bye.